Identify the transformation from ABCD to ABCD prime. Okay, now, let's pay very close attention because a lot of people got this question wrong because it was meant to be tricky. Everyone thinks this is a reflection because it looks like a reflection. But that's why it says pay very close attention to the letters. Because if it was a reflection, this would have happened. Let's eliminate some things first. It's not a reflection across the x-axis because that would bring the image down here. And it's not a counterclockwise rotation because this wouldn't be facing the same way as this if it was. So that means either it's a reflection across the y-axis or it's a translation. And most people said it's a reflection, and it's not. And here's why. If it was a reflection, that means when I reflected A here, that it would end up way over here. But it didn't. This is A, and this is D prime. And this is B, but this is C prime. So if it reflected, then this would be A, and this would be A prime, and this would be D, and this would be D prime, and this would be B, and this would be B prime, and this would be C, and this would be C prime. But it's not. But let's look and see if we can determine what it is. If it's a translation, that means it just slides to the left, or slides to the right, or slides up, or slides down. So, here is D, and if I translate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to the left, I end up on D prime. Let's see if it works for anything else. Here's C, and if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units to the left, I end up on C prime. So the correct answer was actually translation 7 units to the left.